Hey everybody, we're gonna be playing some Plague Inc. Not just original, but
Well, Kira's out there.
hold up, guys. Okay, sorry guys. Just ignore what's going in the back. Anyways, guys, we're playing Plague Inc. Hey, yeah. We're gonna be nanovirus. This is gonna be Mega Burrito. The Apocalypse.
Shut up.
Okay. It's only 8:34. Okay, guys, welcome to Plague Inc. We're gonna be infecting the world. This time, since the cheats, I can be playing. What's going on? Madness. Zombie. These two. So, guys, see zombie. So, we're gonna be doing zombies. This episode is very sponsored by Spikex. He's never done this video. He's never played this game, but it's all sponsored by Spikex. Spikex, Commander Game, Frustrated Gamer, and Beautiful B and Commander Gaming. Please subscribe to them. They're basically my best friends, just they don't even know that I exist. But all they know, I commented down into one of the videos that I'm trying to help them. But he probably never pays attention to what's being commented down to his video, guys. Kind of just like me, but I don't care. But sometimes I go on it and I saw somebody saying, "You feel bad for me." Don't feel bad for me. I'm all fine. So just because you may think I'm bored, I'm actually not. This is Plague Inc. The zombie apocalypse. Hold up, guys. Hey, Kira, can you talk a little louder? Hey, guys, listen. Hey, guys, listen to what my sister's saying. Hey, Kira, can you speak again for all the views?
I like stripping!
She actually doesn't, but she's just like talking about memes, guys. She's talking about memes. I mean that she made. Okay, she.
I broke his leg.
Okay, guys, just ignore it now because she doesn't actually do that, but she's basically making her a meme. Like, she just said goodbye to your hand. She's reached somebody's bones, guys. But anyways, guys. Okay, guys, 3, 2, 1. It's going all over. Wait, there's my pizza man.
I killed her.
How dare you, guys? She killed my pizza man that was supposedly stripping. Good. That's what I get for. No, he's not.
And he lost his hand and foot. Say goodbye to
Okay, guys, we're gonna be going through this area.
That's what blood is making right now. Or maybe that's blood.
Okay, guys, let's speed this up. Speed. Okay. Yes, guys. Guys, we're making the world evil. The world of zombies. Guys, look at this. Okay, anyways, guys. Ooh, look how much stuff I'm infecting with zombies. The zombie apocalypse has begun. That's the title of this. No, I'm gonna make it called the zombie apocalypse has begun. Plague Inc. I'm sure to put the link down below, but I really do not know how to do that. Guys. Comment down below how you do it.
Where's my gecko, wecko? Hi, baby.
My sister's being loud.
Hi, baby.
And I also play on mobile.
And we also die in a hole.
just ignore what's going on in the background about strippers. It's kind of funny, but although it's kind of annoying.
Yeah, that's because I'm
Don't say that.
It's
not a monkey, it's a lizard. It's a lizard, guys. It's not a monkey. Whatever you do. Okay, you know what, guys? You know what, guys? Spam monkey down in the comments. I'm gonna spam monkey and lizard down in the comments. Spam monkey and lizard.
Pizza Man.
Just spam. Yeah, just spam whatever you want. Like,
Or just say my sister has a pizza hoe.
or just spam my sister has a pizza hoe. Whatever. Just spam any of those ones. Spam it down in the comments below. We're gonna be trying to get to
I have a leopard gecko.
1,000 likes.
Nope.
Y'all think
2,350 million.
you heard my sister? Try to get me to that, guys.
Stop yelling.
Hold up.
Shut up.
Hold up, guys.